track, nigga. Shout out the fucking shot.
Niggas know the fucking vibe, nigga.
Like,
that little Ddot nigga.
Like, why the fuck they keep running, nigga? God, that's what he said when he got shot.
Oh, bro. Like, why they running? Hey, Dudey,
They keep dissing the death, so you know that we lurking. Hop out, we purging. Black man, we gon' burn it. Like Kurt got shot, he got sent to the nurse. I did that with me and he don't gotta worry. Like he know I'm up in the heart, 30 shots in the clock. I'm not talking about karma. Ain't showing him the mouth, so we showing no mercy. Like before all this rapping, I was on that. He too hot to we come with his dog. Before all this fame, they know my name. I was the cut and I'm letting it flame.
gotta stay on that shit for the niggas that be on my dick, so I keep me a knock. Smoking right, got sent to the top. They go out like see how it now is knock. That can never be me. If I was there on the sea with an up to the flop. Me and Dudey too deep. We try to spin. The first one we see get shot. And I smoking no Diddy. Dropping the O, we don't fuck with no jiggies. Why they playing like we don't perform? Like fuck all the rapping, they know we on. And I smoking no Matt. One shot and his body collapse. Call of Duty, bitch to the back. I'm a bitch to the front. We gon' leave something flat. Oh gang.
Word my test, I get cold like rah-rah. Yeah, that Gooey went bah-bah. They better dog when we drive by. Thotties ain't coming to my side. See how you know that's the cousin. I got boop, I got bail, I was lucky. Top of his nose, I can look a little runny. We catch little boo, we do him like Sonny.
It's no Ddot, I'm back again. I got caught whole like again. Run up again, I'ma clap at him. I was down on my ass, now I'm back again. And they know what I did on that block, that I'm low. Now I know niggas ducking they top. And you know I'm not capping. Bros, then you can ask them what happened.
They keep dissing the death, so you know that we lurking.